Evan Lallo, 14, celebrates beating a rare bone cancer after just 7 months of treatment at Cleveland Clinic Children's Hospital in the United States. The is a breakthrough as Americans and the world celebrates this rare moment. Fox News captured the moment as families, friends and well-wishers and of course, the staff and management of Cleveland Clinic Children's Hospital, Ohio gather and celebrate the epoch-making breakthrough in the health sector. Evan, full of beautiful feelings, could be seen wearing uncontrollable smile, gradually toddles through the middle of the gathering in the hallway towards the bell. The moment he rang the bell, there is this certain activation atmospheric mood of overwhelming joy. A comment that quickly captured my attention comes from Michelle Garnieri. He wrote, "Imagine the hope the sound of that bell might bring another patient within earshot of that hallway. God bless." My fellow Nigerians in Nigeria especially, during this moment a government that could be described as an official state hijack, would watch a footage as this with tears of both joy and deep pain. Joy, for what this breakthrough means for Evan Lallo and his family, and pain for the fact that Nigerians wake up with fear of their lives every day, even without walking outside their homes in the entire regions of the country. This is not overstatement but a reality. To think of a day like this in my country is actually a dream that most likely not to come to reality. In my country, pregnant women are sent back to go get money for delivery at the point of labor or dump outside the hospital for the same reason. This is not a news story, it's our daily experience. To talk about the rest of our daily unbelievable normal should be a hopeless cry in a lonely wilderness. Nigerians, I use this opportunity to call your attention on the sacrifice of voting His Excellency Mr. Peter Obi into power is in the next general elections come 2027. Anything other than that is a dilemma. This is not a political campaign but a simple truth and reality known by the young and old in Nigeria, including toddlers. In an unjust society, silence is a crime. Please, follow Stand Up for What Is Right, online TV and my just created global news pages. Stand Up for What Is Right exists in all social media platforms but most active on Facebook and YouTube. It is not really the number of followers determines the messages, information and updates we see and read daily, but the importance, value and impact of their contents. A new Nigeria is actually possible but not without the sacrifice of every or at least an overwhelming majority from across the regions. We, the commoners from the entire eastern and northern Nigeria, are the recipients of these unimaginable aberrations, are victims of Nigeria. It's high time we wake up from our slumber as many who sang the praise of the status quo are either crying in regret, in the IDP camps internally displaced people, or beyond 6 feet. The later is for those honorable enough to be buried. In my country, black is white, that is the metaphor of what you read on the news as official statements. God bless Nigeria.